Hello everyone, my name is Prajakta Krushna Ghogale. Today I will explain the topic of review of imidazole and its biological activity, which is a guided by Manjusha Sanab map. So imidazole and its biological activity abstract. Imidazole is a planar 5-member heterocyclic ring with a 3 carbon and 2 nitrogen atom, and in ring n is a present in a first and third position. The imidazole ring is a constituted of several important natural products including purine, histamine, histidine, and nucleic acid. Being a polar and ionizable aromatic compound, it's an improved pharmacokinetic characteristic of lead molecules, used as a remedy of optimize the solubility and viability parameter of poorly soluble lead molecules. Imidazole derivatives have occupy a unique place in the field of medicinal chemistry. Introduction of imidazole. Medicinal chemistry, it is a discipline concerning with the determine the influence of a chemical structure on biological activity, and in the practice of medicinal chemistry developed from an empirical one involving organic synthesis of new compound based largely on the modification structure and the identify their biological activity. Medical chemistry concerning with the discovery, development, interpretation, and the identification of medical mechanism of action of biological activity compound at the molecule level. Imidazole is an important nucleic in the heterocyclic chemistry. Imidazole is an unsaturated 5-member heterocyclic ring consists of a 2 hydrogen and a 1 heteroatom first and third position. It allows a Huckel donor, hence its aromatic heterocyclic compound. Molecular formula is 3 and 2. Here is a N2 and a H5. The aromaticity of imidazole have a 3 carbon and 2 nitrogen, all sp2 hybridization. Sp2 hybridization is a planar, it makes a planar imidazole ring structure. Each ring atom also contain a hybridization p orbital that is a perpendicular to the plane of the sigma bond plane on a ring. Here a p orbital are the parallel to each other, so overlap between the p orbital is a possible. The total number of non-bonding electron are a 6 3 of 3 6 1 atom. Aromaticity n pyridine like a third position, and 1 n is a parallel like a n. So here is sp2 hybridized orbital. Physical property, it is a white or colorless solid that is soluble in water. Melting point is 89 to 91 degrees Celsius. Boiling point is 256 degrees Celsius. So biological importance, this ring system is present in important biological building blocks such as the histidine and the related hormone histamine. Many drugs contain an imidazole ring such as the antifungal drug, example clotrimazole, anti-acid drug, amantadine, etc. Antimicrobial drug is the atroimidazole. Here is the histamine structure. Synthesis of imidazole. Imidazole can be prepared by the action of amino on glyazole to form a imidazole and plus 3 water molecules. By treating acetaldehyde with the bromine in the ethylene glycol and heating the resulting product with the formamide and ammonia. Structure and pharmacological activity. In this imidazole are well-known heterocyclic compounds which are the common and have an important feature of a variety of medicinal agents. Imidazole is a 5-member planar ring which is a soluble in water and other polar solvent. It exists in a 2 equivalent and tautomeric form because the hydrogen atom can be located on either of the 2 nitrogen atom. It is a highly polar compound. It is an evidence by calculated dipole of 3.61 d and it is entirely soluble in water. The compound is classified as aromatic due to the presence of six of the pi electron. On this basis of various literature survey, imidazole derivatives show various pharmacological activity. First is the antifungal and antibacterial activity. Second is the anti-inflammatory activity and analgesic activity. Third is the antitubercular activity, antidepressant activity, anti-cancer, antiviral, anti-lesional activity. Antifungal and antibacterial activity. Deepika Sharma have a synthesized 2 substituted phenyl 1H imidazole and a substituted phenyl 2 substituted phenyl imidazole 1 yield maintain analogous and screen for the antimicrobial activity against the gram positive and negative and fungal species and non-fluoxetine used as a standard. Ramaya V. et al. Reported a novel series of 5-nitrobromoseryl 2-benzimidazole derivatives and studies for the antibacterial activity against the Escherichia coli, Salmonella accurosa, Clostridium and Enterococcus species, and antifungal activity against Aspergillus fungi and Candida albera. This was compared. Young et al. Synthesized the various N-cyclo, 1-imidazole, 4-carbamidazole derivative, and the fungicide activity were screened against the 6 kind of fungi: Fusarium, Oxyporma, Rhizoctonic, Solania, Botrix, Sincera, Porsa, Glabreza, Zea, Protelzea, Gangia, and Clostricoxal gossipia at a concentration of 5 mg/ml. The newly synthesized compound have good antifungal activity secretly against the Rhizoctonic Solana among the 6 fungi tested, particularly compound 117 anti-inflammatory analgesic activity. Prajakta et al. Studies on the two substances for diphenyl 1H imidazole and check the anti-inflammatory activity based on the carriages include the paw edema method. These compounds show a maximum activity and the indomethacin used in the reference drug. Yukuka et al. Reported the synthesis of some 1-benzyl or 2-4,5-divinyl 1H imidazole derivatives. The Swiss albino mice were used to carry out analgesic activity of both sexes weight at 23 to 20 36 gram. All derivatives show a poor response. Only compound 139 139 exhibited a moderate activity, and the compound 140 and 141 range not effort from antitubercular activity. Ramaya synthesize of a novel 5-nitrobromosyl 2-benzimidazole 112 derivative and screen for in vitro antitubercular activity against the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and these compounds show a poor antitubercular activity. Streptomycin was used as a reference drug. Pretty Gupta et al. Describe an antimicrobacterial tuberculosis activity of a ring separator 1H imidazole 4 carboxylic acid derivative and 3,2 alkyl 1H imidazole 4 vial propionic acid derivative and against drug sensitive and drug resistant and tuberculosis 10 to 20 F and 2H compound were a most compound antidepressant activity. Ferris Hadija et synthesize monoclonal analogous by the medicine micropenal ring which is separated immunization and studies for the antidepressant activity using a food swimming test. Analogous 7AC was found to be a more potent than a mucon albeit anti-cancer activity user okay it will synthesize the many novel imidazole bench azole and imidazole epirexina derivative in order to the investigator the anti-cancer activity screen result revealed that these are the most active compound in the series. Similar was the user reference drug versus plastine. Yan et al. Synthesized a series of a novel hybrid compound between a two phenyl benzofuran and imidazole have been prepared, and a result suggested that a substitution of the imidazole 3 position with the naphthalase or a bromonaphthalase group were vital modulating cytotoxic